Top 7 Healthiest Fish to Eat. Eating fish can be an excellent choice for a healthy diet due to its lean protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various essential nutrients. Here are 7 of the healthiest fish to eat. 1. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's also a good source of high-quality protein and vitamins like vitamin D and B12. 2. Mackerel. Mackerel is another fatty fish loaded with omega-3s. It's a good source of vitamin B12, selenium, and various other essential nutrients. 3. Sardines. Sardines are packed with nutrients, including omega-3s, calcium, vitamin D, and protein. They are also low in mercury due to their small size. 4. Rainbow trout. Rainbow trout is a freshwater fish that provides lean protein, omega-3s, and essential vitamins and minerals. It's a good choice for those looking for a milder fish flavor. 5. Atlantic mackerel. Atlantic mackerel is a sustainable fish choice that's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and various vitamins and minerals. 6. Arctic char. Arctic char is similar to salmon in terms of taste and nutrition. It's high in omega-3s and provides a good source of protein, vitamin D, and B vitamins. 7. Albacore tuna. Albacore tuna, often sold as canned white tuna, is a lean source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. However, it's essential to choose responsibly caught or pole and line caught tuna to minimize mercury exposure. When choosing fish for your diet, consider factors like sustainability and the source of the fish. Certain types of fish may have higher levels of contaminants like mercury, so it's advisable to check for advisories and choose lower mercury options, especially for pregnant women and young children. Overall, including a variety of fish in your diet can provide a range of health benefits. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.